Hi, it's Lynne with Soft Squares. I'm going to do two unboxings in this video. First one is the Ginger Quilter, which is a subscription box. And the other one is a subscription, but it is only for fat quarters. So it's really small. I'm going to throw this in on this video and you'll get to see both. First thing I'm going to do is open this one. This is by Annie's. It is their Fat Quarter Club. It says, hey fabric loving friend, here are your perfectly coordinated fat quarters for making great projects and for adding to your stash. And it just has the receipt there. But here is our bag with the fat quarters in it. And of course they want it nice and flat for shipping, but we're going to look at this closer. Oh wow, do you see that? Itty bitty little checks in there. Pink, gray, it's more of a salmon color, yellow, teal, light teal. Kind of looks like a trellis with the yellow, gray, and teal flowers in there. You have this pretty blue floral with a hint of green on the inside of the flowers. The very center. So right here. Okay, see if it will tell me what line it is. Morning Light by Lindsay. Let's keep looking. They folded it kind of funny this year, or this time. Minzy McRae for Moda Fabrics. There is always room for beauty. Morning Light. So it is all the same line, I believe. We'll just double check it. They sure go together like they are. Ah, yeah. No salvage there. We're gonna guess we're pretty safe on assuming that it is the same set. Seems like sometimes it's hard to tell if they are or not. So it says, yeah. There you go. There's that really pretty line. So here's what we had gotten this month in our fat quarter bundle. It's only 6 pieces of fat quarters, 6 fat quarters, which is 1.5 yards total. I am actually going to cancel this one because when you first start out, they have some good deals on the first couple packages. But then after that, I feel like this is not a good value for what I'm spending. Maybe you can find it on sale and maybe you really like what these are and it's totally fine for you, but this is one that I probably am not going to be continuing maybe one more month depending on how my subscription status is. So there we go with that though. They are pretty. Okay, so the link for Annie's will be below. Morning Light is the name of the line, it says. And Annie's has a lot of different kits. So if there's something in there that you like, use that link. It helps me out. But you can find things even for kids and other types of crafts. It's not necessarily quilting, just so you know. But this is my fat quarter bundle from them. Now, on to the big box. This is the Ginger Quilter box. I've never seen it in this color box before. Usually it's a brown box. It's kind of fun to get some color. I've picked it open, but I haven't been in it yet. So the Ginger Quilter box for October, leaf pot holders, Season and Spice by Art Gallery Fabrics. are the fabrics. We get batting. Okay, let's just keep, let's just go through this. Patchwork and pottery. Oh, look how cute that is. 3 different hot pads. PDF pattern number 14. Traceable pattern. There you go. No. Okay. This is the very first kitchen project ever featured in the Ginger Quilter box. It feels so fitting for fall, and I really enjoy baking all the apple and pumpkin goodies. Use these pot holders as decor or put them to work in your autumn kitchen. Season and Spice by Art Gallery Fabrics. All the fabrics and colors in this line are stunning, but we can talk about the little jars of jam. Oh, for reals? They are absolutely the best part of this collection. They're also inspiration for this entire box. Jocelyn and Company. I can't imagine what these look like. Oh, these are cookies. Oh, there must be more in this box. Raspberry jam, petite. Okay, see, I got way ahead of myself. I didn't expect more. Shortbread cookies. Homemade raspberry jam was a staple for our home growing up. My grandma made them for her with her fresh raspberries, and so that's the inspiration for her cookies. Mini butter cookies with rich jam. All right, I'm gonna see if there's something in the bottom here that I missed. All the fabrics and colors of this line are stunning. Okay, so little jars of jam is what she's talking about on the fabric. And they are cute. Look, look, look. Orange marmalade, honey, cinnamon cranberry, sweet fig, citrus rosemary. I like these combinations. I would like to have some real jam with those flavors. Okay, cute. So there is one of our fabrics. Let's get it going the right direction. There's also this. It looks like it's the same amount of fabric. It's upside down. There we go. Which looks like fat quarter. Yeah, these are fat quarters. This has a really interesting feel to it. It's really soft, but also kind of slick. Makes me think there might be like polyester. I'm probably calling it something that it's not. It's just 100% premium cotton on that one. It's just a very different kind of a slick texture, and this one is the same. So here's another one. Let's open this one up. Oh, how fun. You can make that be the center of one of the hot pads. And look at this. We have all of this. So she said she used this fabric as the inspiration for the whole box, which is why we got some cute little cookies. And let's see what we have in this little roll. Yeah, they are definitely all the same line. They all have that same feeling. So this is a fat 1/8, or something really close to it if it's not. Let me measure. It is 9 inches. Okay, so here's the green and the orange. We've seen those. Here is another green and our jams. These are little bees. And this is interesting because it's like you could actually fussy cut this, center it, and get it if you want it in there. That's pretty fun. Then we have our oranges, This looks like it's all about bread. I want you to see this stuff. Sorry. All right, and then we have this red, which is the same print as the green. And here's this orange, which is the same print as this green. Kind of makes me think of bandana. And then we have this, which is like a purple orange version of this one. So a couple focal prints and then some fun fabrics. And I want to see if it tells me the line. Art Gallery Fabrics, 100% premium cotton. We Are Fabrics, AGF Season and Spice. Okay. And I'd Rather Be Quilting. I have a wooden spoon with the engraving on there. Be the first to admit I'd rather be quilting than cooking unless it's baking. But when you have to cook, you have to use your own new wooden spoon so everyone will know that it's not your first choice of activity. That's funny. Okay, and then we also get insulated batting as well as regular batting. So she's giving us everything we need. So this is the Insulbright, at least I believe that's a brand name or something similar to it, where it's made to be used around heat. And so you need this on your hot pads, or because the batting is not enough, so you need to add both. This will keep the heat reflected. So she's given us a good piece there. Okay, most wonderful time of the year. I looked up on the mountains next to my house and saw the fall colors. It really is the best time of year in my opinion. Don't forget to take a walk as the weather cools down and eat a pumpkin cookie. It's good for your soul. All right, there's 4 little wooden buttons in here. 5. Handmade with love. Oh, I think they all say the same thing. They do. Look how cute. So she didn't talk about those. She doesn't have to. They're just cute. And then these shortbread cookies, there's 4 in this little box. I found out what the buttons are for. If you look on the pattern, they've got a button right here. So I'm guessing you can use them on your pattern. Patchworkpottery.com. Let's see if there's anything that mentions a button. Their picture has a button. Even if it's not part of the pattern, it's definitely something you could embellish with. And here they are, finishing. They're putting a button in there. So that way you can open them and you can link them like what they've done here, or just have it solo, but it's not sewn in completely on both sides. That button actually makes some sense. So there you go. Leaves with the button. So that is a ginger quilter for the month of October. It's a nice fall box. Her theme is Autumn is My Jam. That's adorable. Okay, and we're to the bottom of the box. So another fun box from the ginger quilter. Her link will be below. Let me know what you think about it. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day.